मैंने थोड़ी कॉफी बनाई है, थोड़ा सा लोगे? I have made some coffee. Would you like some? I have made some coffee. Would you like some? तार पे कपड़े डाल दो. Hang the clothes on the line. Hang the clothes on the line. रात गई, बात गई. Let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. पता नहीं आज जाने क्या हुआ होगा. I have no idea what might have happened today. I have no idea what might have happened today. केवल 2-3 लोगों से काम चलता था. Only 2 or 3 people were there to serve. Only 2 to 3 people were there to serve. मैं बस बनाने ही जा रही हूँ. I am just going to make it. I am just going to make it. मेरा मूड खराब है. I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood. दीवार में दरार है. There is a crack in the wall. There is a crack in the wall. वो मुझे हरा नहीं पाया, उसके बस की ही नहीं थी. He couldn't beat me. He was unable to do that. He couldn't beat me. He was unable to do that. काम कब खत्म होगा? When will the work be finished? When will the work be finished? मेरा मूड नहीं है. I am not in the mood. I am not in the mood. मैं बालों में कंघी करने से पहले बाल नम करती हूँ. I damp down my hair before combing it. I damp down my hair before combing it. मसाला एकदम महीन पीसना. Grind the spices into a fine powder. Grind the spices into a fine powder. दूध फाड़ने के लिए इसमें नींबू का रस डाल दो. Add lemon juice to curdle the milk. Add lemon juice to curdle the milk. सारी चीजें उठाओ और वापस उनकी जगह पर रखो. Pick up all the stuff and put everything back to its place. Pick up all the stuff and put everything back to its place. तुमने अभी क्या कहा मुझे? What did you just say to me? What did you just say to me? आपके हारने का क्या कारण था? What was the reason behind your defeat? What was the reason behind your defeat? अदरक लहसुन को दरदरा पीस लो. Grind ginger and garlic into a coarse paste. Grind ginger and garlic into a coarse paste. लेकिन आप क्यों तकलीफ करेंगे? But why would you take the trouble? But why would you take the trouble? मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा हो. I don't want this to happen. I don't want this to happen. मैं यहाँ आते आते खो गया था. I got lost while coming here. I got lost while coming here. कपड़ों को इस्त्री करने से पहले नम कर लो. Damp the clothes down before you iron them. Damp the clothes down before you iron them. राजमा चावल बना दो बस. Just make kidney beans and rice. Just make kidney beans and rice. थोड़ा नमक और डाल दो. Add a little more salt in. Add a little more salt in. ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैंने कोई पाप किया हो. It seems as if I have committed a sin. It seems as if I have committed a sin. क्या आप सोच रहे हैं कि क्या बनाऊं? Are you wondering what to make? Are you wondering what to make? हम सबकी नजर तुम पर है. We all have eyes on you. We all have eyes on you. छोटी छोटी लोइयां बना लो. Shape the dough into small balls. Shape the dough into small balls. माँ, आप पूरा दिन काम करती रहती हैं. Mom, you keep on working all day. Mom, you keep on working all day. बहुत साफ सफाई करनी बाकी है. There is a lot of cleaning to be done. There is a lot of cleaning to be done. इसे धीमी आंच पर 10 मिनट के लिए पकाओ. Cook it over a low heat for 10 minutes. Cook it over a low heat for 10 minutes. तुमने कॉफी बना दी क्या? Have you made the coffee yet? Have you made the coffee yet? पलट के दोनों तरफ फ्राई कर लो. Turn over and fry on both sides. Turn over and fry on both sides. मैं कब से कह रहा हूं ऐसा मत करो. I am telling you for so long not to do so. I am telling you for so long not to do so. मेरे लिए थोड़ा पानी गर्म कर दो. Heat up some water for me. Heat up some water for me. आधा किलो कितने का है? How much for half a kilo? How much for half a kilo? तुम्हें इतनी देर क्यों लगती है? Why do you take so long? Why do you take so long? मेरा हाथ बटाओगे क्या? Would you please lend me a hand? Would you please lend me a hand? आम का रस निकालो. Squeeze the juice out of the mango. Squeeze the juice out of the mango. तुम जाकर कपड़े धो लो. You go and do the laundry. You go and do the laundry. ऐसा फिर मत होने देना. Do not let this happen again. Do not let this happen again. मुझे ये काम करना है. I have to do this work. I have to do this work. मसाला एकदम महीन पीसना. Grind the spices into thin paste. Grind the spices into thin paste. देखो तुम्हें बहुत कड़ी मेहनत करनी होगी. See, you have got to work very hard. See, you have got to work very hard. धूप में कपड़ों का रंग उड़ जाएगा. Clothes would fade in the sunlight. Clothes would fade in the sunlight. रोहन को छोड़ो, तुम बताओ. Let Rohan be, you tell me. Let Rohan be, you tell me. मेरी भैया से कहा सुनी हो गई. I had a tiff with my brother. I had a tiff with my brother. अपने हाथ साबुन और पानी से धोएं. Wash your hands with soap and water. Wash your hands with soap and water. समय तो देखो, 6:30 बज रहे हैं. Look at the time, it's 6:30. Look at the time, it's 6:30. चिंता मत करो, उसे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Don't worry, nothing has happened to her. Don't worry, nothing has happened to her. बर्तन छोड़ दो, मैं सुबह कर लूंगी. Leave the washing up, I will do it in the morning. Leave the washing up, I will do it in the morning. देखो ये सीधा लगा है कि नहीं. Check whether it is inserted the right way up. Check whether it's inserted the right way up. पेन बंद करके नीचे रख दो. Cap the pen and put down. Cap the pen and put down. वो भले घर का लड़का है. He comes from a decent family. He comes from a decent family. तुम हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ उल्टी पुल्टी हरकतें करते रहते हो. You are always up to some mischief. You are always up to some mischief. मुझसे एक गिलास पानी गिर गया. I spilled a glass of water. I spilled a glass of water. बर्तन लेकर जाओ, सिंक में डाल दो. Take the dishes to the sink. Take the dishes to the sink. मैं याद नहीं कर पा रहा हूं कि मैंने ये किया है या नहीं. I can't remember if I did it or not. I can't remember if I did it or not. रसोई में जूठे बर्तन रखे हैं. Dirty dishes are in the kitchen. Dirty dishes are in the kitchen. ये तो खाली है, मुझे भरा वाला दो. This is empty. Give me the filled one. This is empty. Give me the filled one. तुमने अपने बाल कटवाए हैं, बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. You have had your hair cut. It looks great. You have had your hair cut. It looks great. पेन का ढक्कन कहाँ है? Where is the cap of the pen? वेयर इज द कैप ऑफ द पेन? जो हमें चाहिए था वो पहले ही मिल गया। वी ऑलरेडी गॉट वट वी वॉन्टेड। वी ऑलरेडी गॉट वट वी वॉन्टेड। टमाटरों को 2 हिस्से में काट के छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में काट डालो। हाफ द टमेटोज एंड चॉप देम अप। हाफ द टमेटोज एंड चॉप देम अप। जमीन पोंछने के लिए एक गीला कपड़ा ले आओ। गेट अ डैम्प क्लॉथ टू वाइप द फ्लोर विद। गेट अ डैम्प क्लॉथ टू वाइप द फ्लोर विद। बर्तन ठीक से साफ नहीं हुए हैं। द डिशेज आर नॉट क्लीन्ड प्रॉपरली। द डिशेज आर नॉट क्लीन्ड प्रॉपरली। वो मुझसे कम जानती है। शी नोज लेस देन आई डू। शी नोज लेस देन आई डू। कपड़े धोकर सूखने को डाल दो। डू द लॉन्ड्री एंड हैंग इट आउट टू ड्राई। डू द लॉन्ड्री एंड हैंग इट आउट टू ड्राई। वो किस तरह का इंसान है? What sort of person he is? What sort of person he is? जब माँ आस पास होती है तो चीजें आसान हो जाती हैं। When mom is around, things become easy for me. When mom is around, things become easy for me. तुम घर पर रुककर घर के काम करो। You stay at home and do the chores. You stay at home and do the chores. हमें खर्च में कटौती करनी होगी। We have to cut back on spending. We have to cut back on spending. जरा बर्तन धोने में हाथ बटा दो प्लीज। Give a hand with the washing up please. Give a hand with the washing up please. कपड़ा लेकर इसे झाड़ दो। Get a cloth and dust this. Get a cloth and dust this. कचड़ा कूड़ेदान में डाल दो। Put the sweepings in the dustbin. Put the sweepings in the dustbin. पूरे फर्श पर कागज बिखरे हुए हैं। Papers are scattered all over the floor. Papers are scattered all over the floor. इस करी में नमक कुछ ज्यादा ही है। There is far too much salt in this curry. There is far too much salt in this curry. बर्तन उठाकर यहाँ से ले जाओ। Pick up the dishes and carry them away. Pick up the dishes and carry them away. दीवार पर जाला लगा हुआ है। There are cobwebs lining on the wall. There are cobwebs lining on the wall. मेरी और तुम्हारी अच्छी जमेगी। You and I will get on pretty well. You and I will get on pretty well. सीलिंग पर जाला लटक रहा है। There are cobwebs hanging from the ceiling. There are cobwebs hanging from the ceiling. उसका मूड अच्छा है। She is in a good mood. She is in a good mood. मैं तो बस तुम्हारी खुशी चाहती हूँ। I just want you to be happy. I just want you to be happy. माफ करना, देर हो गई, मैं जाम में फंस गया था। Sorry, I am late. I was caught in traffic. Sorry, I am late. I was caught in traffic. उसने क्या कहा? मैं समझ नहीं पाया। I couldn't understand what he said. I couldn't understand what he said. सिंक हमेशा जूठे बर्तनों से भरा रहता है। The sink is always full of washing up. The sink is always full of washing up. माफ कर दीजिए, ऐसा फिर नहीं होगा। I am sorry, it won't happen again. I am sorry, it won't happen again. मेरे मना करने के बावजूद तुम वहां क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going there despite my denial? Why are you going there despite my denial? कब से कब तक? From when to when? From when to when? खाना खाने से पहले अपने हाथ जरूर धोएं। Do wash your hands before eating meals. Do wash your hands before eating meals. अगर मैं जाऊंगा तो सबको पता लग जाएगा। If I go, everyone will get to know about this. If I go, everyone will get to know about this. मेरे होते हुए कोई तुम्हारा कुछ भी नहीं बिगाड़ सकता। Nobody can harm you in my presence. Nobody can harm you in my presence. इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलेगा. You won't get it so easily. You won't get it so easily. सब्जी में नमक कम है. There is less salt in the vegetable. There is less salt in the vegetable. तार पर कपड़े डाले हैं, उतार लाओ. Get down the clothes hanging on the line. Get down the clothes hanging on the line. मैं दीवार के सहारे खड़ा हूँ. I am standing against the wall. I am standing against the wall. वह मेरी नाक में दम कर रहा है. He is getting on my nerves. He is getting on my nerves. मुझे इस बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता. I don't know about this at all. I don't know about this at all. कपड़े धो चुकी क्या? Are you done with the laundry? Are you done with the laundry? मुझे एक घर चाहिए, मेरा अपना घर. I want a home. My own home. I want a home. My own home.